Underfloor heating can slash energy bills by up to 30%. Imagine a world where your floors radiate a gentle warmth, embracing you in comfort. This is the promise of underfloor heating, a technology that is as efficient as it is luxurious. In this essay, we will delve into the fascinating world of underfloor heating, exploring its mechanics, benefits, and challenges. Traditional heating systems rely on convection, where warm air rises and distributes heat unevenly. Underfloor heating, however, takes a different approach, utilizing radiant heat. This method directly warms objects and people in a room, creating a more comfortable and efficient heating experience. Imagine stepping out of bed onto a warm floor on a chilly winter morning. With underfloor heating, this dream becomes a reality. But how does it all work? It all starts beneath the floor's surface. One popular method of underfloor heating utilizes electric heating mats. These mats consist of thin electrical wires embedded within a matting material. When electricity flows through these wires, they generate heat, which then radiates upwards, warming the floor above. Electric underfloor heating is particularly well suited for smaller areas, such as bathrooms or kitchens. This method offers precise temperature control, allowing you to customize the warmth of each room. Installation is relatively straightforward, making it a popular choice for renovations or new builds. For larger spaces or entire homes, hydronic underfloor heating systems are often preferred. These systems utilize a network of pipes installed beneath the floor. Hot water heated by a boiler or heat pump circulates through these pipes, radiating heat upwards and creating a comfortable warmth. Hydronic systems are known for their energy efficiency, especially when paired with renewable energy sources like solar thermal panels or heat pumps. Section 5. A comfortable temperature. The water in a hydronic system doesn't need to be as hot as traditional radiators to achieve the same level of comfort. This is because the heat is distributed more evenly across the floor, creating a consistent and pleasant warmth throughout the room. Unlike traditional radiators that can create hot spots and cold corners, hydronic systems ensure that every part of the room is equally warm. This lower operating temperature translates to less energy consumption and lower heating bills. By using less energy to heat the water, homeowners can see significant savings on their monthly energy expenses. Additionally, the efficiency of hydronic systems means that they can maintain a comfortable temperature for longer periods without needing to constantly reheat the water. Typically, the water temperature in a hydronic underfloor heating system ranges between 85 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, or 29 to 60 degrees Celsius. This range is ideal for maintaining a cozy environment without the risk of overheating or causing discomfort. The ability to precisely control the temperature also means that homeowners can adjust the settings to their personal preferences, ensuring maximum comfort. This is significantly lower than the 149 to 167 degrees Fahrenheit or 65 to 75 degrees Celsius required for radiators. Radiators need to operate at higher temperatures to effectively heat a room, which can lead to higher energy consumption and increased heating costs. In contrast, hydronic systems are more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. This lower temperature also contributes to a more comfortable environment. The gentle and consistent heat from a hydronic system can make a home feel more inviting and pleasant, especially during the colder months. Families can enjoy their living spaces without the discomfort of uneven heating or the noise often associated with traditional radiators. Additionally, it reduces the circulation of dust and allergens. Traditional heating systems can stir up dust and other particles, which can be problematic for individuals with allergies or respiratory issues. Hydronic systems, on the other hand, provide a cleaner and healthier indoor environment by minimizing the movement of air and dust, making it an ideal choice for allergy sufferers. The consistent and gentle heat helps maintain a stable indoor climate, reducing the likelihood of mold growth and other allergens. For families with members who have allergies or asthma, a hydronic heating system can significantly improve their quality of life by providing a comfortable and healthy living environment. Section 6. The price of comfort, installation costs. While the benefits of underfloor heating are undeniable, it's essential to consider the installation costs. These costs can vary significantly depending on several factors, including the type of system you choose, the size of the area to be heated, and the complexity of the installation process. Electric underfloor heating, while generally cheaper to install than hydronic systems, can lead to higher running costs, especially in larger areas. This is because electric systems consume more energy over time, which can add up, particularly in homes with extensive floor space. Hydronic systems, on the other hand, require a more significant upfront investment but offer long-term cost savings due to their energy efficiency. These systems use water heated by a boiler, which is then circulated through pipes laid under the floor. The initial cost can be higher due to the complexity of the installation and the need for a boiler, but the running costs are generally lower, making it a more economical choice in the long run. Factors influencing installation costs include the size of the area, the type of flooring material, and the complexity of the installation. Larger areas naturally require more materials and labor, increasing the overall cost. The type of flooring material also plays a crucial role. For instance, tile and stone are excellent conductors of heat and work well with underfloor heating, but they can be more expensive to install compared to other materials like laminate or carpet. It's always advisable to consult with qualified heating professionals to get an accurate estimate for your specific needs. They can assess your home, discuss your heating requirements, and provide a detailed quote that includes all potential costs. This ensures that you have a clear understanding of the financial commitment involved and can make an informed decision. Additionally, professional installers can offer valuable advice on the most suitable system for your home, taking into account factors such as energy efficiency, installation complexity, and long-term savings. Section 7. Embracing efficiency, long-term savings. Despite the initial investment, underfloor heating offers long-term cost savings due to its energy efficiency. When you install underfloor heating, you are essentially investing in a system that will pay for itself over time. The initial costs might seem high, but the benefits far outweigh these costs. By directly warming the people and objects in a room, it eliminates the energy wasted in heating unused airspace, as is the case with traditional heating systems. Traditional systems often heat the air first, which then circulates around the room, leading to uneven heating and higher energy consumption. Underfloor heating, on the other hand, provides a more consistent and comfortable warmth. Furthermore, the lower operating temperatures of underfloor heating systems, particularly hydronic systems, contribute to reduced energy consumption and lower heating bills over time. Hydronic systems use water to heat the floors, which can be more efficient than electric systems. The water is heated to a lower temperature than traditional radiators, which means less energy is used. This makes underfloor heating a wise investment for homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint and save money in the long run. Not only does it provide a more comfortable living environment, but it also aligns with eco-friendly practices. Homeowners can enjoy the dual benefits of a cozy home and reduced energy bills, making it a sustainable choice for the future. Investing in underfloor heating is not just about immediate comfort, but also about long-term financial and environmental benefits. Section 8. Challenges beneath the surface. While underfloor heating offers numerous benefits, it's not without its challenges. One potential drawback is the complexity of installation, particularly for hydronic systems. Retrofitting underfloor heating in existing homes can be challenging and disruptive, often requiring significant alterations to the subfloor. Another consideration is the response time. Underfloor heating systems, especially hydronic ones, can take longer to heat up a room compared to traditional radiators. This is because the heat needs to radiate through the flooring material, which can act as an insulator to some extent. Section 9. A future warmed from below. Underfloor heating represents a paradigm shift in home heating, offering a unique blend of comfort, efficiency, and elegance. While challenges like installation complexities and response times exist, the long-term benefits of reduced energy consumption, increased comfort, and a more even heat distribution make it an increasingly popular choice for homeowners worldwide. As technology advances and installation techniques improve, underfloor heating is poised to become an integral part of future homes, creating a world where warmth radiates not from above, but from beneath our feet.